Hi guys, welcome to Phonics Unit 29, Day 1. We're going to begin by listening for our new vowel sound. So here's a picture of a coin. What vowel sound do you hear in coin? Here's a picture of a boy. What vowel sound do you hear in boy? Here's a picture of oil. What vowel sound do you hear in oil? And here's a picture of a toy. What vowel sound do you hear in toy? The new vowel sound that we are working on this week is the oi sound. And it is spelled in the word coin with an OI and in the word boy with an OY. So we are going to sound out some oi words. Get your arms up and ready. Here we go. The first word is t, oi, toy. All right, nice job. The next word is j, oi, n, join. We are continuing with sounding out our oi words. Our next word is b, oi, ul, boil. And our last word today is b, oi, boy. Today in your notebook, I want you to practice writing each spelling word 3 times. The words are point, toy, joy, soil, oil, and spoil. Great job, everyone!